In this video, I'm going to share with you how to prep your skin for the Picture Perfect Powder Foundation. Apply 2 to 3 drops of the Skin Facial Therapy Oil on the palm of your hands. Rub your hands together and apply on clean skin. Apply upward. Beneficial ingredients like coenzyme Q10 and vitamin E help protect the skin and fight free radical damage. Omega Light, which helps brighten the appearance of dark spots, and Camellia Oil, an oxidant rich in oleic acid that helps rejuvenate the skin. Apply the Wrinkles Away Hydrating Day Cream. I love this because it has grapeseed oil for an even texture and radiance. The Camellia Oil for hydration and promotes cell growth, with shea butter further nourishes and moisturizes. It's full of omega acids and oxidants.